Hello everyone, Miss D here. What we're going to do today is we're going to link Excel, PowerPoint, and Word together dynamically. First of all, I want you to make a folder on your desktop. So you can right click with your mouse, go down to New, and click Folder. Make the folder say Link, and then go to your web study and open up your monthly data file. Okay, once you have your monthly data file open, you're going to save the data file to that folder. So you're going to go to File, Save As. You're going to go down to Link under Recent Folders. And you're going to say Save. And this box, compatibility checker, may or may not come up. If it comes up, just click Continue, and then X out of this, go back to your desktop, and just make sure that the spending plan is in that particular folder. Then what I want you to do is you can open up PowerPoint on your desktop by double-clicking it. Use a blank PowerPoint slide. Get rid of this first slide by clicking Delete on your computer. Highlight and then click Delete on your computer. Go to New Slide and click Title and Content. Then Save. Do File, Save As. You're going to your folder that says under Recent Folders Link, and you're calling this Link 2 and Save. Once you do that, you're going to X out, and you just check your folder to make sure everything is in there. Now, if I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause the video. Alright? Now what we're going to do is we want to open up Word and use a blank document and save it. File, Save As, same routine. We're saving under Recent Folders, Link, and we're going to call this Link 3 and Save. And we're going to X out of it, and then we're going to open up our folder on our desktop, and we see that all three documents are in one folder. We're going to open up our monthly spending plan. You can actually use this budget if you want to, or this spending plan if you want to. You can see that I have fictitious numbers in for the salary, and if you scroll down to the bottom, I have a total expense column, okay, and I have spending plan, okay, spendable income, I should have said. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight January through December with your mouse. Once you have that highlighted, hold down your control, scroll down to the bottom of your data file, and highlight your total expenses. What we're going to do is we're going to make a column chart and then highlight your spendable income. Okay, then we're going to go to Insert. We're going to go to the Charts group. We're going to click on Insert Column Chart. Then we're going to click on 2D. Now what I like to do is I like to pull this chart out of the way. So what I'm doing is just left clicking and dragging this down to the bottom of my data file, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. I can see that my blue Series 1 is my total expenses, which is $100,000. I can see that my red bar, okay, which is here, Series 2, is $398,000. And I can see that that's just about right. So this is right. But I want to change my legend to tell me exactly what the blue bars are for and what the red bars are for. So I'm going to go up to my data group, which is right here, and I'm going to click on Select Data. The Select Data source box will come up. And you see it has already highlighted Series 1. I go down to Series 1, I see that's my blue bar, and I know that's my total expenses. So I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to click type total expenses, and then I'm going to click OK. And I can see in my legend says now total expenses instead of series 1. I'm going to do the same thing to series 2. I'm going to click on series 2, and I'm going to click on edit, and I know that is my spendable income. So I'm typing in spendable income, and I'm clicking OK. And I see that my legend now is changed to spendable income. I'm going to click OK. I'm just going to click my save command on my quick access toolbar because I want to make sure I don't lose any of this data. And I'm clicking on continue. OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click back in my chart, and I'm going to right click my mouse, and I'm clicking on copy. Once I do that, I'm going to minimize my window. I'm going to open up my PowerPoint by double clicking it. Where it says click to add text, I'm going to click right in there. I'm going to go to my clipboard group, and I'm going to click on paste, and then I'm going to go over where it says keep source formatting and link data. So I'm going to click on that command, keep source formatting and link data. Then I'm going to click my save command in my quick access toolbar. I'm going to minimize this particular window. I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to scroll up to the top. I'm going to change my salary here under January to $1. Okay? And I'm going to click out in the white area, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I want to check my spendable income. So my spendable income has all of these pound signs. Now what do we have to do to get rid of these pound signs? We've been over this a couple times in class. We're going to click on select all, and we're going to go to the columns between any two columns, and we're going to double click. And now we can see that our spendable income is a negative. That's what it means when it's in red and you have the parentheses around it. So let's look at our chart, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see our January income is negative. So now let's open up our PowerPoint. And our PowerPoint now has changed for January spendable income as negative. So that's correct. Okay, very good. We're going to minimize our PowerPoint. We're going to go back to our Excel chart, click right in our chart, right click, and then click copy. We're going to minimize our Excel spreadsheet. We're going to open Word. Now you're opening the Word document that you have in your folder. Don't forget that. You're going to go up to your clipboard group. You're going to click on paste. You're going to go over to where it says keep source formatting and link data. You're going to save this document just by clicking the save command in your quick access toolbar. Okay? Now you're going to minimize your Word document. You're going to open up Excel. You're going to scroll up to the top. You're going to put in, let's put in $800,000. Okay? And scroll down. And we see our spendable income now is $698,000. And we see that our chart on our Excel, the bar has gone up. That's correct. Let me just save that because I don't want to lose that.